Hey guys, Jerry here. So I wanted to do a little review of this. I got this earlier in the year. I wanted to use it for a while until I filmed this review just to give it an objective critique, so to speak. And this is the essential oils from Bath and Body Works. There's one right near me, and it's the mint leaf and bergamot. Honestly, I don't even know what bergamot is. There's a subway station in LA that's Bergamot, so I guess I just went by that. I just bought this. It's natural peppermint oil. Again, I don't know what peppermint smells like. It's body wash with olive oil. And then the experience, the power of oils, European olive oil. And so I've been using this. This is my body wash. Before this, I would usually use soap, or sometimes I would just use a scrub or something like that. So this is the first time in a while I've used a body wash that wasn't some generic brand that you got at Target or Giant or Ralph's or something like that. Notice I said Giant and Ralph's. Ralph's is West Coast, Giant is East Coast, so both coasts. But my review of this, the smell, there's a slight sting to it. Maybe it's the peppermint or something. So the smell's okay, and once you shower with it, it's not like your body's reeking of a good artificial sweet smell or anything like that. And I mean, I don't have any side effects. I don't have any kind of, so basically what I'm trying to say is it does its job. I don't have anything super special to say about this. I don't have anything super negative to say. It does its job. So I never actually looked at the ingredients. So I said, you know what, let's just look at the ingredients. It's not tested on animals, which is good right here. What else is interesting about this? So it has water as the first ingredient, of course, and then it's sodium lauryl amphoacetate. So I believe that is one of the compounds that helps the soap basically get rid of the oils and cleanse things off your skin. Acetate, acetate, it's a big, strong cleanser. And then usually soap is sodium lauryl sulfate or something like that. So the first natural ingredient I can see is Helianthus annuus. That's a sunflower, and then it's got seed oil, so it's like a sunflower seed oil, and then it's got shea butter. So we can't skip the ingredients for soap, of course, the long chemical words, but it has your normal stuff. It looks like it also has, it has hydrogenated castor oil. And it's coca. It's coca. Why'd you need coca? I like how it didn't say here that it had coca. Wait, you know what? Since we're at it, let me just look up what bergamot is, because that could potentially explain to me. Okay, so bergamot's a type of orange. Interesting. So bergamot's a type of orange. So that's what I'm smelling. Okay, I'm smelling peppermint. Now I understand. I do smell like an orange. So why the need for coca though? There's coconut oil in here. There's coca. Like, it comes with a lot of random stuff. I didn't realize this until now. So, I almost just want the simplest ingredients, honestly. So, it's fine. Big shout out to this brand, and big shout out to Bath and Body Works. I just decided one day to try. I was like, I want to be a girl. And I just went and bought something. And I've been using this, and I used it, it's only half of it. So, I thank you guys so much, man. If you guys are ever at Bath and Body Works, this might, when I got it, it was on clearance, so this might not be in existence anymore. But if you guys want to find it online, go ahead and try to find it online. Okay, this was Jerry Product Reviews. Thank you guys so much.